Ripple keeps moving forward, even in the middle of a nasty bear market, even in the middle of a lawsuit. They keep working and looking ahead. And JP Morgan is registering a crypto wallet. What does that tell you? Uh, I'll let you know what it tells me in a minute. And prosecutors investigated FTX for months before the collapse. Why was nothing done? I'll give you my opinion. All right. Ripple announces record growth of successful ODL technology amid XRP lawsuit. What's nice about this is that we know that ODL utilizes XRP, so that is good for XRP investors, definitely. Ripple's ODL solution uses the XRP token to enable faster and cheaper cross-border payments without the need for pre-funded destination accounts. In a new statement, the San Francisco-based firm says that the ODL technology is now supported in a growing number of payout markets, including Africa, Israel, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Belgium, Singapore, the UEA, and the UK. So as we can see, Ripple keeps finding new partners, new banks, new businesses, new countries to expand their ODL technology. At this point, what we're waiting for when it comes to XRP is just the end of the lawsuit. Once that happens, we're going to see even more adoption, especially in the US. Once the lawsuit is over, the adoption for XRP is going to be really amazing, I'm pretty sure, because of the technology that it offers, the fast payments and the liquidity, basically, the fast on-demand liquidity that businesses need. No more waiting days for money transfers. It's going to be instantaneous. And ODL offers that along with XRP. So that is what's going on with Ripple. They keep working, finding new partners. And like I said, once the lawsuit is over, things are going to get really interesting. And now let's talk about JP Morgan and how they are registering a crypto wallet. To me, that means that they saw how much money Coinbase, Binance, they saw how much money this crypto exchanges were making, and they want to get into the game. They want exposure. They want to start selling and trading, and having their customers trade crypto. And even with all the problems that the crypto world is going through right now, this is very positive because an institution like JP Morgan getting into registering, trademarking a crypto wallet is just awesome news for the crypto world. It just shows you that despite all the problems, all the all the issues lately with FTX, Voyager, Celsius, and others, the technology is here to stay, and these people know it. Now, with what's going on, especially with FTX, I almost feel like it was done and that it was a conspiracy to bring the prices down, especially if you look at the people involved, people in government, people in very powerful places were involved in FTX. And it almost, this is just me just thinking, but it almost feels like they missed getting into crypto 5 years ago. And now that they saw the potential of the, when it comes to the investment in crypto, I feel like they almost crashed the market on purpose so they can enter at low prices again. This is just me after looking at all the people involved in the FTX collapse, and it makes me think that it was by design to just so people in government and these other corporations that didn't believe in crypto 5 years ago, and that now they know crypto isn't going away. Now they crash the market because they want low prices. Unfortunately, by doing that, they have hurt a lot of people because there are some investments, some projects that are not going to survive this bear market. But I feel like that's what's going on. It's just a conspiracy so they can come in and get in at low prices. That's what it's looking like. And now let's look into this news. Prosecutors investigate FTX for months before the collapse. The U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York was investigating FTX for months before the crypto exchange filed for bankruptcy protection. Prosecutors were specifically looking into compliance with the Bank Secrecy Act. The Bank Secrecy Act is just a law that requires financial institutions, it requires them to work with government it's basically an anti-money laundering act, anti-money laundering law. What I'm talking about is this Safety Secrecy Act. It's just about preventing money laundering, and financial institutions have to register with the government and show certain documentation to comply. Citing unnamed, the probe was aimed at cryptocurrency platforms with the U.S. and offshore arms, including Sam Bankman-Fried, Bahamas-based firm, which also operated FTX US. FTX is now facing additional investigations from the Securities and Exchange Commission, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and the Department of Justice. Now, what is interesting to me is that nothing was done, and if you think about the donations that politicians were acquiring from FTX, then nothing was done. It seems very suspicious. It looks like they looked the other way because they were receiving money from these scammers. There is a lot of investigations going on, and if this is proven, there is going to be a lot of people in government that are going to be in deep trouble. But the government is investigating itself, so who knows what's going to happen. It's very corrupt. But what does bother me is that now the SEC is looking at FTX after what happened, when when they were supposed to be doing that before it happened. The SEC is supposed to be protecting us, the investors, and they did not do their job at all. But that's what's going on. But that is what's going on in the crypto markets today. If you can, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.